We live in a period of amazing technological advancement, portable, genius tools, and smart technologies. Some pretty fascinating devices are a result of all these technological advancements. You can now buy everything from self-flying drones to dandelion-made shoes and pocket-sized projectors. Yet, with so many fascinating devices available today, it might be challenging to choose the ones that you should actually purchase. We found and compiled all of the personal favorites in just one location to make your life simpler. Number 1. DJI AVATA. The DJI AVATA, the company's most recent iteration of this technology, was just introduced. It's designed to be more resilient and prepared for any unlucky collisions. It may be controlled with a joystick that replicates your hand movements or a controller. Ingenious features like the capability to employ bespoke routes, track a person or vehicle, and go back to the beginning place if it deviates too far are also included. Number 2. Apple Watch Ultra. The outcome is a smartwatch that is by no means inexpensive, but it also yields the ideal tool for players in all sports. Divers, mountain climbers, martial artists, and everyone in between have all been considered by Apple. It boasts an outstanding 36-hour battery life, is robust, water-resistant up to 100 meters, can withstand extremely cold and hot conditions, and includes in-depth apps for tracking your fitness and health. Number 3. BEELINE VELO 2. This little spherical gadget fastens to your bicycle and provides you with simple, basic navigational directions derived by recording actual voyages. You may also monitor the time, distance, speed, and arrival time. In fact, it's waterproof. Number 4. GARMIN Instinct Crossover. The new Instinct Crossover Solar from Garmin caters to a certain market of those who appear to work out constantly. The watch's endless menus include a mode for every sport, so it doesn't really matter what you choose to do. Keeps track of your heart rate, effective recovery time, running power, and even how smoothly you rode down a mountain bike route. Number 5. Google Pixel 7. The Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are two of the company's two most recent products, and they're both strong competitors. They are fantastic smartphones in most apparent aspects, including good battery life, a powerful CPU, a vibrant and colorful display, and even one of the best cameras we've tested. Number 6. iRobot ROOMBA J7 Plus. The new ROOMBA J7 Plus, which gets smarter every year, combines a Hoover and a mop into one device. Although this isn't new in and of itself, the firm has included a self-retracting mop function. This entails a robot Hoover that is capable of complete independence and doesn't require assistance. So this is how the rebellion of the robots begins. Number 7. MetaQuest Pro 2. The MetaQuest Pro 2 is perhaps the greatest method to participate in the metaverse and virtual reality right away. In order to provide the newest and most amazing specifications in the VR industry, Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has invested a significant amount of money in this. The purchase is only worthwhile for individuals who can't wait for the metaverse, even though it's the finest VR has to offer right now. Number 8. Nothing Ear Stick. Nothing is the company that strives to innovate by offering things that are just a little bit different from the competition. These headphones sound great, have an excellent battery life, and a unique design from the competition. They also fit well. Number 9. Apple AirPods Gen 2. The obvious option for a new set of in-ear headphones for Apple enthusiasts is probably a pair of AirPods. The new Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation is the newest and greatest alternative if you're seeking it. Number 10. Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Samsung has been making significant advances in the realm of folding smartphones while everyone else swiftly gave up on the concept. Now, in its 4th iteration, is the best folding smartphone today. Although it's the greatest folding gadget available, the technology is very expensive. Number 11. DJI Osmo Mobile 6. In terms of camera gear, DJI has diversified throughout the whole market, producing a ton of action cameras, drones, and accessories. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6, a gimbal that you can use with your smartphone, is one of the most recent products. Number 12. Amazon Kindle Scribe. With the Kindle Scribe, you can now take handwritten notes, make comments on the books you're reading, and overall make better use of your Kindle. Also, the tablet has one of Kindle's greatest screens, so you can keep reading in direct sunlight. Number 13. Nothing Phone 1. The world of tech aficionados has been impatiently waiting for the unveiling of a new smartphone from the brand Nothing. They announced the debut of the Nothing Phone 1 after promising something somewhat different. Number 14. HYPERX Cloud Alpha. A great battery life is what the HYPERX Cloud Alpha gaming headphones prioritize above everything else. These headphones, according to HYPERX, have a 300-hour battery life. That means you may use these headphones for slightly over 12 days without needing to recharge them. However, we do strongly advise taking a break someplace. Number 15. Sony WH-1000XM5. The WH-1000XM5, a follow-up to the WH-1000XM3 and WH-1000XM4, was released by Sony. These are some of the greatest headphones available if you can get past the extremely boring naming standards. The design of these headphones is the most noticeable departure from their predecessor, giving them a total different appearance. Less cluttered and lighter as well. Number 16. MacBook Pro with M2 chip. The new MacBook Pro from Apple boosts specifications while enhancing a well-liked look. The CPU, which now uses Apple's M2 processing chip, has been the most significant upgrade. Because of this, the MacBook Pro 2022 has extraordinary computing capability. Number 17. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Every year, DJI's Mini series models shrink while gaining power, packing premium features into a little drone that you can throw in your backpack. They just unveiled their DJI Mini 3 Pro. This drone seems to be ideal for novices, travelers, or essentially anybody looking for a lightweight, high-tech drone despite its premium price. Number 18. VAHA's Fitness Mirror. With the VAHA S Fitness Mirror, you get a full-size mirror with access to over 850 exercise courses and real-time connections to personal trainers. This is without a doubt one of the most spectacular solutions for at-home exercise, but it is also very expensive. Number 19. THERABODY Wave Roller. THERABODY Wave Roller adds a ton of technology to the conventional foam roller design. This roller aids in relief of all of your aches and pains through the use of vibration therapy and a wave-like texture. It has 5 programmable vibration frequencies, an app that can lead you through a rolling exercise, and it can be used anywhere on the body that requires working out. Number 20. Samsung M8 Smart Monitor. The Samsung M8, which has a low price and an abundance of connection choices, can be the ideal monitor for many users. Number 21. GOCYCLE G4 Electric Bike. There are many electric bikes available today, but if you live in the city and frequently take trains, buses, and stairs, having the option to fold the bike down may be essential. The new GOCYCLE G4 offers a high-end electric bike that can be folded down with ease, and that's its primary selling point. Number 22. Insta360 ONE. Action cameras must be adapted in order to capture every dangerous cliff leap, perilous dirt bike path, or fierce surf wave. The new Insta360 ONE RS enters the picture. This is one of the most distinctive choices in the realm of action cameras. Number 23. Generation Zero Land 2. The most recent Generation ZERØGRAND 2 effort is one of the more original attempts at this. The materials used to make these Cole Hand sneakers are almost totally recycled. Number 24. Sony LINKBUDS. With its most recent set of headphones, Sony is continuing its tradition of being at the cutting edge of headphone technology. There is a hole in these headphones. This implies that while listening to music, you can be more aware of your surroundings and the individuals frantically attempting to attract your attention. Number 25. URBANISTA Los Angeles Headphones. Even if battery life has increased, we could all do without the everyday annoyance of having to charge our gadgets. Despite this, it still happens frequently. As long as there is light, these headphones, which are lined with a solar cell substance, will continually recharge. Number 26. ALLBIRDS Tree Dasher 2. The eco-conscious runner will particularly like ALLBIRDS Tree Dasher 2 sneakers. This shoe has a low carbon impact since it's knit from recycled plastic bottles and eucalyptus tree fiber. Number 27. LEGO App-Controlled Transformation Vehicle. There are many options available when it comes to LEGO. The capability to be controlled via an app gives this new LEGO Technic kit a distinctive quality that makes it stand out. Number 28. SKYDIO 2 Plus. SKYDIO's 2 Plus has a special element that makes it stand out that we haven't seen anywhere else. You may map out the path that the SKYDIO 2 Plus will take using a technology called keyframe. You may specify intricate camera motions and then pick the pace at which the drone will follow these paths. Number 29. DJI Action 2. One of the leading brands in the action camera industry, along with GoPro, is DJI. And with the Action 2, they are betting all on modular features. Strong magnets on the camera allow you to swiftly switch out different attachments, adding a tripod, helmet mount, waterproof covers, a screen, and other features you'll need to keep the camera on your body while you jump from a cliff. Number 30. ROCKETBOOK Smart Reusable Notebook. This smart notebook contains 32 pages that, when used with Pilot Friction pens, are simple to wipe clean with a moist cloth. It is ideal for eco-conscious note-takers. They say it is the first reusable notepad of its sort in that, owing to its unique space-age paper, writing on it is just like writing on a conventional pad. 31. KODAK LUMA 150 Pocket Projector. The KODAK LUMA 150 portable projector promises to expand the screen to up to 150 inches while delivering bright, vivid images. It's small enough to fit in a briefcase if you need to create a presentation for work, or your backpack if you want to watch a movie or improve your gaming experience while on the go. 32. BIOLITE FIREPIT Plus. Although we enjoy bonfires, dancing around the fire the entire night to avoid the eye-watering smoke may become old. The FIREPIT Plus makes the fire hotter, which removes smoke. 33. TRINOXO T. A t-shirt made of recycled crab that fights odors? You did read that correctly. The substance used to make this plain t-shirt, chitosan, is derived from the exoskeletons of shellfish. 34. SIMBA Hybrid Luxe Mattress. Although memory foam mattresses are trendy, not everyone enjoys its spongy embrace. The innovative hybrid design from SIMBA combines springs with open-cell foam, which resembles memory foam and has internal pockets that let the mattress transfer heat. 35. Transparent speakers. There aren't many things in life, excepting public restrooms, that aren't improved by transparency. An illustration would be this speaker, which has tempered glass in place of the housing. 36. North Face Drizzle Future Light Jacket. The curiously titled Drizzle Future Light is a 3-layered coat that combines great durability and waterproofing to keep you safe in the pouring rain. 37. Sonos Arc Soundbar. The Sonos Arc, the brand's first Atmos soundbar, offers an impossible-to-beat blend of feature, style, use, and performance. There aren't many soundbars on the market that perform this well. In fact, we think it's the greatest soundbar available. Number 38. Neuro Loop Headphones. What if you could test your hearing with your earbuds and then adjust the equalizer to reflect the frequencies you are most or least sensitive to? The Neuro Loop is designed with such in mind. Number 39. Flare Calmer. The idea behind the Flare Calmer earplugs is that they change the shape of the eardrum to cut out the particularly annoying distorted frequencies between 2000 and 8000 Hz. This annoying distortion, which sounds like nails running through chalk, may have an impact on our mental and physical well-being. They assert that by doing this, stress levels and ear strain caused by noise are reduced. Number 40. HYPERX Wireless Gaming Setup. As HYPERX is a well-known brand in gaming peripherals, it should come as no surprise that their gear is at the absolute top of its class in terms of quality and functionality. Their wireless product line is excellent. You'll need 7.1 headphones to start, and the HYPERX Cloud Flight S headset boasts excellent surround sound. The headset's built-in chat audio balance control is perfect for those crucial missions planning briefings without interfering with gameplay. And thanks to its swiveling ear cups, you can wear it comfortably around your neck when you need a break. Number 41. Ember Mug 2 and Travel Mug. Nothing warms a Brit heart like a notion of a steaming hot cup of tea. A stale cup of coffee, on the other hand, is essentially an affront to the monarchy and the nation. A really tasteful solution to this very British issue is an Ember Mug 2. A heating element in the bottom of the Ember Mug keeps your beverage toasty warm until you have finished every last drop. You can link the Ember Mug to your smartphone via the included app to receive a notice when your beverage has reached the ideal temperature for you. Number 42. Yoto Player Interactive Audio Player. I thought cassettes were fantastic. Even though the sound was terrible, you couldn't skip tracks, and they seldom lasted very long before being devoured by the tape monster. I used to like listening to stories on cassettes when I was a child. The Yoto Player is a contemporary version that is just as tactile and exhilarating. For me, there was something very fulfilling about inserting the cassette into a player, hitting play, and being lost in a rippling tale. Number 43. Theragun Prime Massage Gun. Massage guns, like the Theragun, are like having a private masseuse on hand for a brief post-workout session, rather than having to pay for physical therapy. Number 44. Allshin Smart Lock. Do you own a home filled with amazing technology? Wonderful, but how safe is it? Particularly the door. You'll be happy to learn that Allshin Smart Lock has an 11-pin internal system, a possible key combination range of 294,970, and a lockdown mode in case it is assaulted. By that, we have come to the end of this video. Do like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Also, press the bell icon to get the latest updates from our channel. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Adios.